Hey, everyone, and welcome back to Future Cars Updates. Today, we've got something truly special for you. We're diving deep into the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT, a car that continues to push the boundaries of performance and style. So, buckle up and let's take a closer look at what makes this beast a must-have for any car enthusiast. The 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT is a perfect blend of classic muscle car aesthetics and modern engineering. At first glance, you'll notice the iconic wide-body design, which not only looks aggressive but also serves a functional purpose by improving aerodynamics and stability at high speeds. Up front, the Challenger SRT features a bold, menacing grille that demands attention. The LED headlights are not just for show, they provide excellent visibility and give the car a futuristic look. The hood is sculpted with functional air vents, which help to keep the engine cool during those intense driving sessions. Moving to the sides, you'll see the massive 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires. These wheels not only look great but also provide superior grip and handling. The side skirts are designed to reduce drag and improve airflow around the car, contributing to its overall performance. At the back, the Challenger SRT sports a large spoiler that not only adds to the car's aggressive stance but also improves downforce, keeping the car planted on the road at high speeds. The quad exhaust tips are a nod to the car's powerful engine, and they produce a throaty, exhilarating exhaust note that will turn heads wherever you go. Now, let's step inside and take a look at the interior. The 2026 Challenger SRT offers a perfect balance of luxury and performance. The seats are upholstered in premium leather and are designed to provide excellent support during aggressive driving. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment screen that puts all the controls at your fingertips. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather and features paddle shifters for manual gear changes. The dashboard is sleek and modern, with a minimalist design that puts the focus on the driver. You'll also find a host of advanced technology features, including a premium sound system, wireless charging, and a suite of driver assist features that make driving safer and more enjoyable. Under the hood, the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT is powered by a monstrous 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 engine. This beast produces a staggering 807 horsepower and 707 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most powerful production cars on the market. The engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers lightning-fast gear changes and seamless power delivery. With this kind of power, the Challenger SRT can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds and has a top speed of 203 miles per hour. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The car handles like a dream thanks to its advanced suspension.